Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Peugeot 308 in the GT line specification. So this is a pre-registered vehicle that comes with this lovely panoramic glass roof. You also get full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. And inside the car you've got the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's only done under 10 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.